Hold BFX and be part of a platform that shares trading fees in USDT. This is built for those who believe in long-term growth. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. In this video, it is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and dive right into this project. And as you guys can clearly see, we got what is called a BlockchainFX. And you guys need to understand, whenever it comes to this, we're talking about the first crypto trading super app, right? You guys can see right here, the first crypto exchange bridging blockchain and finance, Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, Tesla, and over 500 plus more assets. And then we have awarded as the best new crypto trading app of 2025. And I like that, okay? And you guys will see right here, they kind of talk about this massive pre-sale, okay, which is actually pretty cool. We'll dive down into that here in just a few moments. But scrolling down, you guys will see right here, we got security verified by industry experts. That's good. Consult Certic, impressive. And we even have solid proof. We got pioneering crypto exchange. We have the demo, which I'll show you how this works here in just a few moments. And if you continue down, we got some daily staking, all right? So you guys, let's actually go ahead and just kind of dive down into the platform really quick. So I want you guys to understand, if you dive down into the links down below, you guys are going to see this is exactly what it looks like, right? We have BlockchainFX. You guys will see over here, we got trading history, chat, support. We got market analysis. We got video tutorials. So technically, you guys can see exactly how this works, right? So obviously, you're going to be able to deposit, right? You can top up your account. Not only that, you guys can see right here, you can buy, right? We got quantity, buy at, right? You can do all that. You can set up the price, kind of choose what you want, right? And you guys can see right there. So that's actually pretty cool. I do like that a lot here, okay? So you guys can even see right here, we got margin, all that information. So you guys can even see up here, we have net P&L, which is actually really good. So you guys can see exactly what that looks like, right? So pretty awesome and pretty cool. You can switch it over to other assets, right? As you guys can clearly see here, right? Which is awesome. You can just kind of click right there, right? You can see all this stuff, right? There's many different ones. We got options, we have forex, we got stocks. We got crypto, we got commodities, ETFs, indices, and we even have a watch list that you can create, okay? So, yeah, you guys absolutely killing it with these, which is pretty cool. I do like this. I love this chart. I will have to admit that, right? So I want you guys to understand, technically, you can earn from all trades. So technically, if you hold BFX, okay, we're talking about their token here, right? I want you guys to understand that technically you're going to be able to earn daily. Not only that, you guys, you don't even need to trade yourself, all right? Now, the platform that I just showed you, there is a fee distribution. So we're talking about 70% of trading fees. They actually go to who? Holders. You heard that correct. And it's paid in USDT automatically, which is good, okay? So if we take a look here, you guys can see we got daily staking rewards. So you got to own the token, right? You can actually stake your tokens, right? You can see that right here. We even have a personal dashboard, and we even have staking rewards where actually they are pretty good, okay? So you guys can see right here how things work. Well, once again, 70% of trading fees go toward BFX staking pool, buybacks, and token burns, okay? And you guys can see right here, we do have BFX, a community member holds. They are capped at 25,000 USDT per day. All right. So looky here. We got trades, right? User trades on BFX, right? That's what we're going to call it. BFX, BlockchainFX. Okay. And then after that, you guys can see right here, 70% community pool. We got 30% company revenue, right? And then it gets distributed, right? Which is actually pretty cool. Okay. So, which is great. So you guys can see right here, 50% of all fees collected are automatically distributed to holders. 20%, right, is going to be helping for buybacks. And we even have a burn, okay, which is actually pretty good as well, okay? So I'm going to tell you guys right now, whenever it comes to this, I mean, it's technically designed to reward loyalty, right? Not only that, it's a real staking alternative, okay? If we kind of continue down, you guys will see right here, we got the Visa card as well, which is pretty cool, okay? That's awesome. Compatible, you guys can see that right there. We got benefits of buying during the pre-sale, lowest token price. We got limited edition Visa cards. We got exclusive bonus trading credits, and we have daily USDT staking rewards, okay? So lots of important details here. I do like this novice. So you guys will see right here that we also have advanced, okay, which is pretty cool. And then we even have pro, and you guys can see the cost. You can actually see the bonuses that you get as well, staking rewards and trading credits, USDT rewards as well, right? Which is actually pretty cool. Okay. It kind of continues all the way up there to legend. So it just kind of, continues. You guys can see that, right? So a lot of benefits here. Okay. You guys definitely need to check this out. Okay. So we got the biggest buy-in competition as well, which is pretty cool, right? I really enjoyed those. Someone absolutely killing it so far, which is good. You guys can see right here, bridging crypto and finance, right? As we already talked about, forex, bonds, US stocks, commodities, ETFs, crypto. What else we got here? The first exchange that pays its holders. Yes, it does. Okay. So listen, you guys, if you guys are looking to participate, I want you guys to understand that technically, if you use the code YT30, you can actually get 30% more BFX coins before the presale ends. Okay. And that right there, my friends, is going to be very important. Okay. So obviously you want to get 30. So YT30 is going to get you 30%. Okay. And this is actually a limited time, you guys. Okay. So you need to visit. Link is going to be down below in the description. You need to grab your tokens and you do not want to miss out. Okay. So you can definitely connect your wallet right here. Pretty easy and simple. You're going to put the amount you want to buy. And you guys can even see right here, we even have like, if you have an ETF, right, as you guys kind of saw right there. Or let's say if you guys possibly have a NFT, right? If you click that, you guys will see, it's going to take you back to the bottom, which is going to be very important. They even have a referral link, right? So your referral code is going to go here, right? And then you guys can even see right here that bonus code, right? So for example, YT30, okay? So you guys, you're going to be able to click apply, right? And you guys will see right here, boom, okay? So obviously I got to connect my wallet, okay? So pretty easy and simple, you guys. A big opportunity as mentioned. Absolutely love the overall dashboard. This thing looks great in my opinion, right? So check it out. Dive down into the links down below and do not miss out on what is known as a BlockchainFX. So ladies and gentlemen, you guys saw exactly how everything works. And I gotta admit, I absolutely love this project. I love the platform. And listen, guys, this is literally top tier. So check out the links down below in the description. And also be sure that you leave a comment, tell us what you think, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.